This is my CIS-2206 Project 2 final product. So what I decided to do was make a resistor color value finder. How this works is you put in your colors for your resistor. Color band 1 and 2 will be your first two colors. Color band 3 and 4, depending on how many color bands your resistor actually has, you may not need them. But therefore, if you have a 5-band resistor or 6-band resistor, and then multiplier and tolerance will always be the last two bands on your resistor. So currently, we have a 4-band resistor that's brown, black, red, gold, which gives us a value of 1000 kiloohms at 5% tolerance. So what if we do brown, black, orange, green, blue? That gives us a resistor with a value of 10.3 mega ohms at 0.25% tolerance. Now, a cool feature that I have here is color band 3 and 4. It doesn't matter which order you do. If you happen to have color band 4 with a color and color band 3 without a color, it'll still work. It'll still give you a value. Another thing I did was I also made an Ohm's law calculator. You have your amps, your ohms, and your volts. And now Ohm's law is E equals IR, or volts equals amps times ohms. So our amps are 12, our ohms will also be 12, and if we press calculate, we should expect to get 144 in our volts, which we do. You can also do some cool stuff. You can, doesn't matter which parts of which text boxes you fill, it'll give you an answer for whatever isn't filled. So we have 7 here. Calculate gives us an answer. If they're all filled and you press calculate, it'll wipe out all the values. If you only have one value, it will fill in the others with does not exist, because you can't find anything with just one value. The last cool feature that I have is if you enter in erroneous data like letters or you have multiple decimal points on accident, you get a invalid entry. One final cool thing is if you, like, say have 10 in your amps and you go to put 1.5 in your volts, but you accidentally put that extra decimal in, it'll tell you you had an invalid entry in your volts, but over here in your amps your value stays, so it will help you figure out what you did wrong quicker. So this is my CIS-2206 Project 2 final product. Hope you liked it.